In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Zoho Books. Whether you're dealing with different currencies for international clients or you've relocated and need to update your settings, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly. So, let's dive in. First things first, you need to log into your Zoho Books account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books homepage. Enter your login details as you usually would. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the home base where you can see all of your financial activities at a glance. From here, we want to access the settings. Locate the settings option, usually found on the top right corner of your dashboard. Give it a click. This is where you can tailor various aspects of your Zoho experience, such as preferences for your organization, invoices, and importantly for us, currency settings. Next, you'll see a series of tabs or sections within the settings area. Look for the Organization tab. It should be easily visible as one of the main categories. Click on that and you'll be shown several options related to the overall profile and functioning of your organization. Within the Organization section, you'll find a Profile option. Go ahead and click on Profile. This is where you can edit the details pertaining to your business. Scroll through until you catch sight of Currencies. Clicking on this will bring you to the Currency Management screen. Here you can make modifications specific to the financial units your organization operates in. If you want to edit an existing currency, look for the Edit option next to the currency listed. Clicking Edit will allow you to make adjustments based on your needs, such as rates or additional currency settings. Once your changes are made, don't forget to save. There's a Save button typically located at the bottom of the editing screen. This ensures that all of your updates are finalized and active. Alternatively, if you're looking to change your base currency altogether, there's an option for that as well. Simply click Change Base Currency. This action lets you select a different main currency from the list provided by Zoho Books. Once you select your preferred currency, remember to hit Save again to apply the changes. This step is crucial so that Zoho Books can update your organization's base currency throughout the entire system. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully changed your currency settings in Zoho Books. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.